What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video is all about Mimik Beauty. Yes, before we get started, I will answer all you guys' question, where have I been? This is also a life update video because I've been missing, and as you can see, the background looks a little different. So let's go ahead and get started, right? So first question, Brittany, where have you been? Okay, so to be honest with you guys, I have been working. So for all those who don't know, I used to work, well, the show got canceled now, but I was a makeup artist on a show called Sports Talk on Amazon Prime, and that is why I have not been posting so much. But that contract has ended and we did not get renewed for season 2. But it's okay. I'm okay. I promise. So that is where I was. Shout out to all the crew, cast and crew from Sports Talk. You guys were amazing. I had an incredible time. But as I'm talking, let's go ahead and get into this makeup as well, because that's why we're here, right? Okay, so this is Mimik Beauty. It comes in neutral, natural shade colors. And I'm going to be trying on these colors and letting you guys know which color is my favorite as well. Thank you so much, Mimik Beauty, for giving me this product. I cannot wait to try it. Mimik Beauty is also Black owned from a makeup artist, fellow makeup artist. Her name is Mimi, and she's absolutely amazing. I will give you Mimi's Instagram down below, along with how you can purchase these products as I try them on. Okay. So let's get into a little bit of the tea, right? I'm going to just take a baby wipe so I can wipe off what I have. And then we'll get into these shades, darling, right? Okay. So, and now, what color is this? This is called Strategy. We're going to try this brown shade first because I love this color. And now I'm going to try it on with the lip brush because I think I want to use this on my clients. So let's get a lip blush. Let's get a little blush. Let's get a little lip brush. So I'm going to be using this lip brush right here to put this on. I'm going to swap a little bit in the back of my hands. This is the shade. This is what it looks like against my skin tone. Yeah, so. Oh. I'm going to do 2 coats. But this is what it looks like on. This color is called Strategy. So, as I was saying, I was working on a show with Amazon Prime, and that is mostly where I spent most of my time for the past year. If you see me looking over here, it's only because my mirror is over here. I'm not ignoring you guys. And yeah, so I was there. It was fun. But also, I'm still with my agency, C Management. If you have not been keeping up with me, I did get signed to an agency. I work with C Management. My agent's name is Laura. So if any of you guys want to hire me for any of your editorial projects, contact Laura at C. Yeah, so it's just been an incredible year to see my work on TV and on newsstands and magazines all at the same time. This has been a humbling year as well. What has happened? I'm trying to keep you guys up to date. What has happened in my life? My dating life is still a hot mess. But that's okay. We're doing better. Therapy helps people. Yeah. So I was talking to this guy, but it ended. Don't be sad. Be sad for him, not me. No, he's incredible. I don't have anything bad to say about him. He's good. He was good. I know what you're thinking. Well, Brittany, if he was good, why did it end, right? Sometimes in life, when people aren't ready to receive or be in certain relationships, or they just don't have capacity for you. You don't stay, ladies, you know? When a short person shows you who they are, believe them. And if the person who you are wanting to date and be with does not make time for you or is not available for you, then the best thing to do is to leave. And that's okay. But I don't have anything bad to say about him. Besides, I guess it wasn't our time. Oh, this next color is called Mercy. And it's this light pink. I like Strategy. Strategy was fun. Strategy and Mercy together would probably be really, really pretty. These two together. And this is what it looks like on my skin tone. This is more like a mauve pink. Really, really light mauve pink. Really cute, really light. I would say that you're going to need about 2 or 3 coats for the color to like really show up. But if you are just a gloss girl with a light tint color, then this is perfect for you. But I tend to like my gloss with a little bit more color, because sometimes I don't want to do lipstick, or sometimes I just want to use gloss as a liner and a lipstick. But the product is good. It smells good. It smells divine, actually. This is this color, and this color is called Mercy. Listen, I did my whole background last week. And I must say, I like the way how... Do you guys think I have an interior... what is it called? Interior design. Decorating design. Because let me tell you, I think this came out pretty good. The only thing that I would say is kind of old is that book back there. Everything else is pretty new. And I love the way how it looks. It's a fun set, I believe. And I think it looks good. Let's move on to the next color. The next color is called Strength. This is the shade. I'm going to swap it so you can see what it looks like. This is more like an apricot. Strength. Let me add a little bit more. Because, child, we all could use a little bit more strength. If I'm quite honest, right? Yeah. So, one thing I want to say about these lip glosses is that they're really creamy. Oh, yeah, that's a good. You don't have to be gentle with the product. I mean this in a way of application. Like, it spreads pretty nicely across my lips. This is the apricot color. And I like the fact that these are nudes for darker skin tones. You guys know I'm like a nudie girl these days. I haven't been wearing much color. This is the apricot. I'm going to fix it a little bit. There you go. This is the apricot color and the color Strength. This is cute. I think this mixed with... you guys know I like a brown. A brown lip gloss, lipstick. I think me putting Strategy with Strength. That's a tongue twister. Strategy with Strength. Strategy with Strength would be really pretty too. As a mix and match color combination. Yeah. So life update. That's really all I've been doing is like working and growing my brand, growing my company. But I am pleased to announce that I will be back on YouTube talking to you guys. I have so much product upstairs that I need to just record content for. And Mimik Beauty, she is so sweet. She is so sweet. When we met, we were actually, she was also a makeup artist for the show Sports Talk. And that's how we met. And she has these beautiful lip glosses. And she was like, here, just try it. And I was like, oh, you're so sweet. You don't have to do that. And she just gave it to me. And you know what? I will say this. This is a word for somebody. When somebody just offers you a gift, just take it. I mean, not all gifts. But for the most part, when someone offers you like a nice gift, just take it. We like gifts around here, especially during the holidays. So I'm going to try the next color, and the next color is called Grace, and Grace is a very light pink. Very, very light pink. I would say this one is more for medium to light skin tones, because this is going to look like powder on me. So I just wanted to put it on so you guys can see what it looks like by itself. This should definitely be with, because this just looks like powder on me. But like I said, this is not for my skin tone. This is for somebody who is lighter. So I would say light to medium skin tones, because this looks like I ate a powder donut. But I think with the brown, it might look like something. But this one is my least favorite. Even though we all need a little grace. This is Grace, the color Grace. This is just not my color. Okay, so the last and final shade is Favor. Ooh, I love the names. Okay, girl. Now, Grace may not have worked out for me, but I think Favor will. So I'm going to clean the brush off, and I'm going to swatch a little bit on my hands, and this is called Favor. Oh yeah, this is going to work. Look how beautiful. Look how pretty, pretty, pretty. Let's add a little bit more. Listen, comment below if you are enjoying these shades and which shade is your favorite. It goes on really good with the lip brush too, I might add. I just don't want it to look like clear gloss with a slight tint. I like my gloss to have color to it, because like I said before, sometimes I just don't want to wear a liner or a lipstick and put gloss on top. Sometimes I just want straight gloss to lip. So I am happy to have this in my kit. Let's see, it came with 5 shades. 5 shades. These are my favorites. I'm gonna leave this one on. This is pretty. This one is for a lighter skin tone, so that's why this one is over here. But it comes with 5 shades. I'm gonna link down below, the product so you guys can purchase this. I would say this is a good product, and the packaging is really cute. Look how it looks. It looks very luxurious, darling, and we love luxurious over here. Yeah, so this is the set. Shout out to Mimik Beauty. Thank you so much for this. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know which shade was your favorite that I tried on down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Later, lovers. Bye.